Alright, what's up everybody? Everyone, how are you guys doing today? So this video is going to be a motor vlog, a pure motor vlog. I'm going to answer some questions that I get a lot, some even on a daily basis. Some people comment, some people ask on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram, by the way, if you're not already. My username is Mantave96, and I will also talk about the modifications on this motorcycle. So I'm going to be talking about all of those things while running some errands. Not errands, but like I have to be at a couple places today. So first, I'm on my way to Hanif Bhai's shop after a very long time. On this channel at least, I have to check with him about an upcoming mod. और हनीफ भाई कैसे हो? कैसे यहाँ हो गया काम पूरा. Next couple of mods coming soon. So the stock mirrors and the stock seat, the single seat, is back on this motorcycle, as you all have seen in the last couple of videos. But both of these things are temporary. They are definitely not here to stay. A lot of people have been telling me to get rid of these mirrors because they look very ugly. I know guys, I know. Talking about the single seat, I've been getting told, people have been telling me since the start of this motorcycle's modification that why did I modify my motorcycle when I could have just made it a single seater and it would have looked good. And that's true. That's actually true. That is what I actually did for the first year and a half with this motorcycle. I kept it a single seater. The day I got this motorcycle, I got rid of the rear seat because it looked extremely ugly to me, but that is just my opinion. Everybody has their own. With the single seat, it does look beautiful when it's stock, and that is how I kept this motorcycle for a year and a half. But I can't anymore because I do need the pillion seat and the stock seat, the stock rear seat that comes with this motorcycle just makes this motorcycle the ugliest thing ever in my eyes. The seat was actually the only reason I started this modification, because I wanted a rear seat, a pillion seat on this motorcycle while this motorcycle looking good to me. So that was, I think, the first big mod I did on this motorcycle. I got the cafe type straight seat. I hope that helps put things together on why I started this modification. And yes, there will be another scrambler type seat. The black one I have sold to someone in Itanagar, so it's now in Northeast. The guy that has it has sent me a couple pictures, so here it is on a classic 350 red, looking great. The last seat that I had, that one is now in, I think, Telangana. So this motorcycle has never been to the south or the northeast, but its seats have. Hopefully this motorcycle will also travel there soon. Java 42 40. Arey baap re, kya cut mara hai bhai ne. A lot of people also ask me when I am selling this motorcycle and upgrading. Kya bolu main, I don't know. So I did have plans to sell this motorcycle and upgrade back when the 650s came out, and after that I also had plans to get like something like 790 Duke, but that came out just too expensive for me. I just don't want to buy anything that I might end up regretting, because I don't want anything that I have to modify to my liking again. I just want something that I like stock, and I don't think there's anything in the market for me that I like stock. And let me tell you guys, I was going to move somewhere very far from Jaipur, and then that was kind of postponed, then cancelled. That also made me lose interest in getting another motorcycle. So for now, what I'm going to do is going to get the modifications complete on this motorcycle, make it exactly what I want it to be, and that's all I know, because I have like no interest in selling this one ever. I do have a little sentimental value emotional value for this. Not selling this motorcycle, man. This is my baby, Spitfire. It's kind of a love-hate thing. Another question that I get a lot is how much for the modification, the entire modification done on this motorcycle. Guys, I'm not really sure about that. I do know that I have I do know that I have spent more money on this motorcycle than I bought it for, because a lot of modifications have been redone और बहुत सारे अच्छे लगते हैं कभी, then I get rid of them because after a month or two I no more like them, and the modification is obviously not complete. It's still in progress, so there's a lot more money to be shed. मैं कहीं रुकता हूँ आगे, फिर बाइक खड़ी करके एक बार दिखा देता हूँ how the bike is looking right now and what कुछ mods बता देता हूँ जो मेरे दिमाग में चल रहे हैं. Okay, so this is how the motorcycle is looking right now. The single seat is on. There's a bunch of things to be done. The rear is looking extremely ugly right now. अभी ये जुगाड़ कर रखा है जिससे पानी ना फेंके टायर. So there will be a scrambler type seat. There will be a rear mudguard. I'm going to be doing something with the rear. There will be different mirrors. The rear mudguard will be chrome, definitely. And there are a couple other things that I have to chrome plate again, and some more things. A lot of people ask me about the speedometer. This speedo is from RV Speedos. I've been using it for I think 2 years, probably more than 2 years. I am personally a big fan of this one. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. My GoPro died. Yes, that happened. Wait, what I'll do is I'm actually on my way to Reliance Digital right now. I have to buy something from there. Regarding the motovlog setup that I have right now, मैं वहाँ पहुँचता हूँ, वहाँ खरीदता हूँ, then I'll see you guys.
Your destination is on the left.
Yeah. Oh my god, Rossi boy. Alright, fail. यहाँ पे मिला ही नहीं जो चाहिए था मेरे को. मैंने वेबसाइट पे देखा था इनकी that there was a retractable USB type C cable that was available, but वो यहाँ पे available है ही नहीं. I don't know why. वेबसाइट पे भी क्यों दिखा रहा भाई. तो यहाँ पे बोला है that it will be available in a bigger Reliance Digital. So वो ट्राई कर लेंगे. So अभी तो वो मिलेगा नहीं because I'm running kind of late. अभी टाइम हो गया I think 6:15. I have to be at my gym at 10-15 minutes. God damn. So I was talking about my GoPro, right? My GoPro died that I had been using for I don't even know how long. Just completely stopped working. So I have actually bought a new camera. I bought the GoPro Hero 6, brand new GoPro Hero 6, just when the GoPro Hero 9 has been launched. Wow man, गरीबी की भी हद होती है. So my mic setup has been completely changed. पहले मोबाइल में ऑडियो रिकॉर्ड होती थी. Then I used to sync and stuff. So it has definitely gotten a little bit easier. इसके अंदर डायरेक्ट माइक का अडेप्टर लगाओ, फिर माइक चल जाएगा. वैसे the mic adapter that I'm using isn't mine, it's my friend Pawan's. So मैंने थोड़े टाइम के लिए उधार लिया है. Just wanna test it out, उसके बाद लूँगा मैं. And also my videos used to be 720p, just HD, but now they will be full HD. But one thing that has happened is I had plans to get like buy a drone, so that has been cancelled for now. बहुत टाइम से प्लान चल रहा था मेरा ड्रोन लेने के लिए. So उसके लिए I was saving a bit. तो वो तो भाई completely cancel हो गया अब because I bought this GoPro Hero. Talking about drones, my intro that was filmed on a drone, I don't use it anymore. A lot of people are kind of disappointed about that, keep telling me that I should bring it back. Guys, I am not bringing the drone intros back. Why? Because this motorcycle doesn't look like that anymore. So whenever this motorcycle is complete and I get a hold of a drone, or maybe I'll get a friend to film it for me, that's when I'll bring a new intro. Here are the old intros, by the way. I'll just play them one last time for you guys. Rest in peace to them. Oh yes, and PUBG just got banned in India. A lot of people ask me whether I play games or whether I play PUBG. I have never even downloaded that game, never played it. It's not that I hate gaming, it's just, it's too addictive. I used to love gaming. My favorite game, I am more of a PC gamer. My favorite game was the GTA 4. I used to play it a lot, like a lot. But now I just try to stay away from addictions. I do want to ask though, how was lockdown for you? I really do want to know, how was it? For me, the first couple of weeks were pretty okay. So in Rajasthan, the lockdown kind of started on March 15th. I mean, a lot of things got closed just when the COVID was starting to hit. So till like half of the April, I was fine. But then depression definitely hit because I was not being able to do the things I wanted to do, not being able to go to the gym, not being able to ride. I was not really super depressed, but there were these moments of sadness. Yeah man, definitely happened. So I do want to know, how was lockdown for you people? Please do comment down below. One thing that has changed about me during the lockdown is I just no more care about what people say, comment on my YouTube. I used to get a lot of flack and bad comments, and they did have a little bit of an effect on me. But after lockdown, I don't know. But after lockdown, I don't know what happened. I just no more give a shit. I don't really know what I should talk about next. I think I should end this video here now. So a lot of people have not been getting the notifications for my videos. I don't really know why. Maybe try turning the notifications off and turning them on again and selecting all, so you'll get all the notifications, I believe. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching this one. I'll see you in the next one. Peace!